So I'm going to take these two screws out, one on the top here, one on the bottom of this box. I'm just going to maneuver this around. This is interesting. This must have been before the motion activated lights were a big thing. This is a whole separate unit. Hopefully I don't find any surprises. I'll just carefully take this out so you can see what's going on here. Now I'm just going to check, double check, make sure nothing in here is live. As I'm looking at this, looks pretty simple. I just have one wire coming out. So I'm not going to get into a ton of detail about wiring. I would just suggest that whatever you pull out of here, the way it's wired, just wire a new one the same way. So I'll just unhook all these. And I know that some people do not like the kind of tester I used, so if you want to put a multimeter on this or however you want to do it, feel free to do it. And right here I have a screw that has the ground on it, so I just want to remove that. This screw is also one that attaches the box to the house, so it needs to be removed all the way anyways. If your existing box is fine, you can skip this step, but I'm going to replace this square box with a round box. These wires are going. I'll remove the other screw holding the box onto the house. Okay. Remove that box.